Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. Today I decided I'm going to go look through some stores to see what I can find to sell on eBay and Poshmark. Stay tuned. Some Kobe's. Mamba mentality. 4.5Y. We got the Jordan 9s for the kids. These are a size 13. This is a green. Kind of looks brown because of the video, but it's actually a green. Purple horse. Polo ruffle and long sleeve. I'm gonna pick this one up too. Kansas City. 2003. West Division champions. Extra large. This is a Logo 7 made in the USA Green Bay Packer crew neck. It was made in 1994. This Nike polo is so clean. It even says Nike on the buttons. I'm gonna pick this one up. St. Louis Rams Nike football jersey. Bruce. Adidas Oklahoma City basketball. Westbrook. Team Westbrook. This is a Nautica Jeans Co. 3/4 zip fleece pullover jacket. Some men's. Found an electric cord organ. I looked up the comps for this on eBay, and this is definitely worth the buy. Women's Nike Air Max. Those are a maybe. I might pick those up. Nike Lunar Epic. I like the colorway. These shoes are actually very comfortable. These are the Nike Dart socks. These Nikes are actually very interesting. Different. The olive green Nike Duck Boots Air Force One High. Great boots for the snow, rain. The newer Nike Shock all black for men's. These shoes are really comfortable. I actually have a pair. I might have to pick these up. These Nikes go hard. The red and blue together is perfection. A men's Hunter coat. Three layers. Actually looks very comfortable. Men's Nike tan, olive green windbreaker. Men's Jordan blue and black windbreaker jacket. Extra large. Picking up two Columbia thermal men's jackets. Camouflage. Nike Kobe basketball shoes. The orange, the black, and the yellow go so well together. I'm done looking for inventory for eBay and Poshmark today. There wasn't a whole lot of items for me to pick from today, but I am happy with the selection that I did get. Let me think. The one item that I'm very excited about is that vintage electric organ that I picked up. I'm really thinking that that one should sell very well. But thank you for tuning in. If you liked the video, make sure you press like, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. I'm definitely going to try to get back to doing more videos. Thank you for tuning in.